Hey, I feel incredibly embarrassed about a mistake I made at the office today.
Oh no, what exactly happened with your team at the office today?
My manager asked me a question about the new marketing plan we are building.
Okay, that sounds normal. Did you finish the marketing plan on time?
Yes, I finished it on time, but I told him I did a big decision.
Oh, I completely understand now. You told your manager you did a big decision.
He looked at me with a very confused face. Was that sentence completely wrong?
Yes, it was incorrect. We never use the word do for a decision in English.
But deciding is definitely an action. That is why I used the word do.
That is a very common trap that almost all English learners fall into.
Excuse me, make and do always confuse my brain because they seem exactly the same.
In many different languages, make and do are actually translated as the exact same word.
Exactly, so I just guess the word and hope my sentence sounds natural.
Guessing makes you sound very unnatural and unprofessional when you speak at work.
Please help me fix this embarrassing mistake so I can speak with confidence.
Do not worry at all. I have a very simple visual trick to help you.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery, your blueprint to speaking corporate English with absolute confidence.
Master your communication, accelerate your career. Let's dive into today's lesson.
Okay, I'm completely ready. What is this special visual trick I need to learn?
I want you to think of the word do as a busy working robot.
A working robot? Do you mean like a machine doing a repetitive daily task?
Exactly. A robot only does repetitive tasks and boring chores around the house.
So the word do is only for routine actions and general daily activities.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Nothing new is created when you use the word do.
I understand it now. Do equals a robot doing boring daily tasks.
Now I want you to think of the word make as a creative artist.
A creative artist? You mean someone who creates beautiful and brand new things?
Yes, an artist creates, builds, or produces something completely new for the world.
So the word make means there is a brand new physical result at the end.
Or it can be a mental result, for example, a new decision.
Ah, a decision is a brand new thing that I created in my mind.
Exactly. You did not perform a repetitive daily task like a robot.
You created a brand new choice. Therefore, you make a decision.
Bingo. The artist always makes things. The robot always does routine tasks.
Let us test this interesting robot theory with some real-life examples.
That is a perfect idea. Think about cleaning your house on a Sunday morning.
I am washing the dirty plates. Do I make or do the dishes?
Ask yourself this question. Are you creating brand new plates from clay and dirt?
No, I am definitely not creating them. I'm just washing them in the sink.
So the robot does the chore. Therefore, you do the dishes.
That explanation is so incredibly clear. What about my English homework every evening?
Is your English homework a routine daily task given by your teacher?
Yes, it is definitely a routine task. So I do my homework every night.
Exactly. What about your daily job when you arrive at the office?
My job is a routine daily activity. I always do my job.
Correct. And what happens when your company works together with another company?
We perform general business activities together. We do business with them.
Spot on. You do the dishes, you do homework, and you do business.
The robot rule makes this confusing grammar incredibly easy to remember.
Always ask yourself this simple question. Am I just performing a routine task?
Now, let us switch our focus to the artist creating brand new things.
Imagine you are standing in the kitchen and cooking a delicious meal for us.
I am baking a chocolate cake. Do I make or do a cake?
Are you starting with basic ingredients to build something completely new?
Yes, I mix flour, sugar, and eggs, and they become a brand new cake.
You are acting as the creative artist. Therefore, you make a cake.
I absolutely love this clear explanation. What about when I earn my monthly salary?
You are producing new wealth for yourself. Therefore, you make money.
I make money. And what happens if I choose the wrong answer on a test?
You created a brand new error. Therefore, you make a mistake.
Wow, a mistake is a completely new thing that I produced myself.
Exactly. You always make a mistake and you always make a plan.
Because a plan is a brand new strategy that I built from my mind.
You are completely mastering this grammar rule. It sounds very natural now.
The artist always makes things and the robot always does routine tasks.
I'm glad you understand. Let us move to the shadowing room to practice.
Are you ready for the error lab? I need to test this trick immediately.
I am ready. I will give you a wrong sentence and you must fix it.
Bring it on. I will use the robot or artist to find the correct answer.
Okay, here is sentence number 1. I need to make the laundry this afternoon.
Laundry is just a boring household chore. Therefore, the robot does the laundry.
Perfect explanation. Now for sentence number 2. We always do a big profit every year.
Profit is newly created wealth for the company, so we make a big profit.
Spot on. Let us try sentence number 3. I need to do a phone call.
A phone call is a brand new connection you create. I make a phone call.
Excellent work. How about sentence number 4? Please make your best on the final exam.
Effort is just an action you perform. You always do your very best.
That is completely correct. And finally, sentence number 5. She makes a really good job.
A job is a routine daily task. Therefore, she does a really good job.
Wow, you fixed every single mistake perfectly without memorizing any boring grammar rules.
The robot and artist visual trick is amazing. It works like absolute magic.
I am so glad it helps. Now, let us move straight to the shadowing room.
Let us begin our speaking practice with phrase number 1.
I really need to do the dishes tonight.
I really need to do the dishes tonight.
I really need to do the dishes tonight.
Great job. Now let us move on to phrase number 2.
We must make a final decision very soon.
We must make a final decision very soon.
We must make a final decision very soon.
You are doing great. Here is phrase number 3.
You should always do your very best at work.
You should always do your very best at work.
You should always do your very best at work.
Keep up the energy. Let us try phrase number 4.
She makes a lot of money at her new job.
She makes a lot of money at her new job.
She makes a lot of money at her new job.
Almost done. Get ready for phrase number 5.
I usually do the laundry on Sunday mornings.
I usually do the laundry on Sunday mornings.
I usually do the laundry on Sunday mornings.
This is the final one. Phrase number 6.
Please be careful and do not make a mistake.
Please be careful and do not make a mistake.
Please be careful and do not make a mistake.
Let us quickly summarize the most important rules from today's lesson.
You must remember that the robot always does routine daily tasks.
Exactly. For example, you do the dishes, do homework, and do business.
And you never create anything new when you use the word do.
Now, what about the creative artist making brand new things?
The artist creates physical things, so you always make a cake.
And the artist creates mental results, so you make a decision.
Do not forget that you also make money and make a mistake.
I will stop translating dictionary words directly in my head.
Yes, always ask yourself if you are performing a chore or building something new.
You now clearly understand the exact difference between make and do in real life.
Just remember our visual trick. The artist makes new things and the robot does tasks.
If you are committed to making this 15-minute plan a part of your life,
Show your energy by smashing that like button.
be a hero for a friend by sharing this video.
With someone you know is too busy to study.
And to lock in your commitment to this challenge, subscribe and smash that notification bell.